Hey everybody, it's Neil, and what do I need? Of course, princess jewelry. I mean, who doesn't? Well, let's show you guys what this all is here and all these different stuff that it comes with. So this is everything out of the box here. So we'll open this up and I'll show you all what the princess jewelry looks like. This is going to be a gift, so that's why I have to show you here myself. But look at this, it comes with a little bracelet with a little unicorn on it, and then you've got the little beaded bracelet here, and these are for small wrists. So you see, if I had it on, it would be, actually it's not too bad. I have a fairly small wrist, but it does have some space there. So a little child's wrist, it would fit much better. We have, I'll go through each of these different pieces and parts just so you can see it all. We have some rings here, like these are little rings. And some other rings here, like with hearts and like little hearts and things and jewels. And it looks like these rings are going to be somewhat adjustable. They're not going to fit me great, but it does expand somewhat on the back, you can see. So if you have a kid with a little bit thicker of fingers, it would fit them as well. Actually, yeah, so it would fit, somebody with big fingers, or you can squeeze it down to make it small. And then we have, this one here's a nice sparkly one, and these are all cool. Okay, and then we have, oh man, there's a whole bunch more. Look at all these. You get these unicorns and princesses here, and a butterfly, and the sparkles, and another sparkly jewel. And then we have all these little bracelets here. So we have this bracelet one here, which has a butterfly on it. Another sparkly kind of round one. Here's one with a little girl on it. Is it a girl or is it a mermaid? It's a mermaid, sorry. She's a mermaid. And then we have some other sparkly ones here. And then we have a whole second bag of stuff. Let's see what's in here. Might as well go through everything since we've got it here. So we have some necklaces here. So we have, these would be great for like a party giveaway. So all the kids stuff here, a unicorn, a snowflake. This one here is just the tail of the mermaid. I guess they chopped it off of the mermaid. Poor mermaid. And then a little heart. These are really nice. They're well made. These aren't stretchy. These are just one side, so they'll go over your head, and that's it. So another heart here, another heart here. Got a bunch of those. These are some clip-on earrings here. So I can probably clip that on. Can I? I don't know how to do a clip-on earring. Guess I can't. I don't know how to do earrings. But you have a snowflake and all the same kind of things again. The little mermaid, unicorn, just a little. How does a clip-on earring work? Oh, it just kind of opens up like that. Haha. Let's see what it looks like on Neil. I'll put it on here. So there we go. Now I have a clip-on earring. And then got another little unicorn there, and another snowflake. So how cool is that? Really cool. I like these. Thumbs up.